Okay, so here's what I'm doing. I have this little program, and after every move I read the encoder values, which I write down here, so that I can compare if there is a difference between every move in encoder values, and that way we can see if there is a difference or an offset or something. So I will step through every line in this program and write down the values, and then we'll see where it goes. So I'll film this so that it's clear how it's working. So this is what's happening. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 locations where the arm is moving to, which can be seen here. So we first go to the picking zone, and then we have the pickup slide, then we lift the slide, then we move to above the cassette, then we lower to the cassette a little bit, lower a bit more, and after dropping it we move up, and then we return to the picking zone. So that's what's going to happen here. There's a slide over there waiting to be picked up. So let's move over to the picking area. Speed is 25% or 15% when it's a bit slower. So now we write down the encoder position, and now we move down to the pick up the slide. And we pick up the slide. That was one position, by the way. This is position lower into the cassette, and now move above the cassette, and now the loop is done. So I'll do this a couple of times, and then put the robot in the rest position, upright, then power it off and power it on again, and then we'll see if the encoder values are different from before. Hopefully we know a little bit more about what the problem is here. And there really is no play. If I move this arm, you see there is no play. I put a rig here so that I can tension the J1 belt. So if I move that, there's also, well, there's a little bit of play, but no real play. There is a little bit of play in this arm, as you can see. I don't know how I can get rid of that. And there's no play in this really. And also no play in this. So yeah, I don't think it's a belt problem.